my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lisa. Definitely make sure you subscribe. I'm standing in front of my closet because I am in need of a reorganization. Obviously, as you guys know, it's fall. I think it's still fall, but it's definitely winter weather. Like, it's coming up. It's getting colder and colder here in Holland. So I really need to reorganize my closet because currently I have literally everything from summer still hanging up. So I kind of just want to reorganize everything, and I want to store away all my summer stuff because I'm definitely not going to be wearing them. I might keep some pieces in there that I feel like I might wear out to like a dinner or like a night out, but in general I kind of just want this all to be like fall winter clothes. And I'm going to probably put some stuff that's on this side, which right here I have like all my jackets, sweaters, and hoodies, and kind of like move it over to this side a little so it's not as cramped in there. I also have some like Black Friday orders coming in, so there's gonna be stuff added to this, so I want to make room for new fall winter clothes. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna take you guys along. I thought it'd be fun to film. I like watching videos like this, so making them is even more fun. I think the first thing I'm just gonna start out with is going through all the hanging, like everything that's hanging up, and taking out all the stuff that I want to put away into the drawers, and kind of make sure everything's still color coordinated and everything like that. And yeah, that's what we're first gonna do. So I'm just gonna be throwing everything on my bed. Don't think there's gonna be much over here. There might be some stuff on this side that I don't really want to wear out anymore, but like some hoodies that I might just end up sleeping in. So I'm just taking those out right now. I also really kind of want to get rid of lime green out of my closet. I'm kind of over it. Actually, no, I can still like it. Oh, so stupid. So this drawer right here has my denim shorts and just like summer shorts in there, and also skirts. So what I want to do is take out the skirts that I could still wear during fall and winter and move that up to like my pants, and just put all my summer stuff in this drawer. These are all the summer tops and like dresses that I'm gonna be putting away. I'm just going to be folding all of this nicely and putting it in a drawer. But I'm really just not going to be looking at these for the next like 6 months or something, so I don't really care about it too much. What I'm going to do real quick is kind of reorganize this drawer, which has my jeans in it and just like all my pants. So I'm just going to quickly reorganize it and add all these skirts to it, and yeah. So that drawer is done. The bottom drawer actually has some of my filming equipment, so I'm not going to be working on that, but I'm now going to head on to the other side. And I think what I want to do is I want to take out, let's see, I want to take out sweaters, so not hoodies and not like knit sweaters, but just like these regular sweaters without a hood, and put them on the other side where I have my long sleeves, just so that it's not as cramped in there. Okay, that was like 3 things. I think I'm now going to head on to these drawers, and basically what I have to do is just kind of reorganize everything because it's kind of a mess, and I kind of want to change it up to where it's a little bit more practical for me. It's a little hot in here, I'm a little sweaty. So as you can tell, this is my underwear drawer. I'm actually going to take out this because these are all my bikinis. I'm definitely not going to be wearing these anytime soon. So I'm going to move these to my summer clothes drawer, but I do kind of want to use this cube for something else. So I'm just gonna try to move it as neatly as possible. Also, if you're wondering why I'm wearing shoes, it's because I just got these today and I need to like wear them in. So I actually want to move my bras into this cube because it's getting too much, as you can tell. So I think what I'm going to do is have one side be like my prettier bras and the other ones be more of like soft, like sporty bras. And then the next thing I want to do is, this is all my like panties and stuff, but I have like specific ones that I wear to bed, which are these. So I'm gonna move those over here so this isn't as cramped because these are my pretty ones. I'm not gonna try to make this neat because this always ends up being a mess, so there's no point. Here I have all my towels that I use to like wipe makeup on and stuff. Then these are just all my socks over here, which I'm just gonna leave because they're fine like that. Okay, so that is this drawer done. Next drawer is my pajama drawer. I have quite some like old t-shirts that I still sleep in. Actually, I haven't been sleeping in them, but I still have it in this drawer. So I'm gonna go through that and get rid of them because they need to go. But see, these are fine. So here I have like leggings and shorts. I'm also gonna get rid of some like shorts that I really don't need anymore. Back here I have a lot of different sweatpants that I don't even know. Let me organize them by color. I'm literally sweating so much. It's getting really hot in here. I'm just quickly going to move these 3 tops that I had in my sleeping shirts, but they're too cold to sleep in now, so I'm just gonna move them to my summer drawer, and then we're gonna do the last drawer, and I think we're done then. My hair is tangled. Oh yeah, I just remembered, the last drawer is my workout drawer, and there's really not much in there, as you can tell. So I actually don't have to do that one, because it's already pretty organized. Like, I do kind of want to get rid of some stuff. Let me actually see. So I only have a couple of things that I'm getting rid of. I'm just going to donate them. And look at the hangers that I'm left with now. There we go. So there's my Black Friday stuff comes in. I have space again, which is nice. And it's also just nice knowing that my summer clothes aren't in there anymore, because it was kind of bothering me, because I keep thinking like, oh, I have so many clothes to wear, but then it's like most of that stuff I can't even wear because it's way too cold. Let me just quickly put away these hangers, put all the donation clothes into a trash bag, and then I'll wrap up the video. I hate when hangers are like tangled up, so annoying. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also make sure to turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.